Okay. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the international webinar event, AI Breakthrough Exploring Cutting Edge Technology and their Impact of Business. First, let me introduce myself. I'm Novita and I will be host you for today's event. Now, let me welcome our special guest for today. Welcome to the Honorable Dr. Joseph Teguh Santoso, as the Rector of STEKOM University. Welcome to the Honorable Professor Noorul Hassan, PhD, as the Head of Artificial Intelligence and Design and Cybersecurity from Arunai Engineering College. To the Honorable Dr. Rubal Jeet, as an Associate Professor Computer Science and Engineering from Kandigar Group College, Janjering, to the Honorable Mr. Migunani M.Kom, as a Head of Information System Department from STEKOM University, Indonesia, and last but not least, also to the Honorable guests and audience today. Okay, before we begin, I have a few housekeeping notes here. Today's session is being live streamed on the University of STEKOM YouTube channel. And for today event, we will start with Indonesian national anthems and continue with the opening speech by our rector for today as a regular obstacle to university. In the next session, we will begin the main event presentation by our special guest for today and continue with the Q&A session and take a picture for documentation. And last time is closing. First, we will sing our national anthems for the operator today. You can start this session. Thank you, Mr. Abdul. Okay, thank you. Next, we will invite the most responsible person to the state to conduct this international event to give an opening speech for Dr. Joseph Teguh Santoso. The time is yours. Thank you.
Tes, tes. Dengeran, no?
Iya, Pak.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable our speakers today, Professor Asnul Hassan, MA PhD, Head of AI and GS Cybersecurity at AC, India, and Dr. Rubal Jeet, Association Professor, Computer Science and Engineering, CGC, Bangladesh, and Mr. Migunani M.Kom, Head of Information System Department, STEKOM University Indonesia, and all of the participation today's international webinar. And today we stand at the threshold of an era defined by remarkable advancement in artificial intelligence. This breakthrough are not only reshaping the technological landscape but also driving profound change across various industries, from healthcare and finance to manufacturing and education. AI is revolutionizing how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. And STEKOM University is committed to fostering innovation and excellence in education and research by embracing the transformative power of AI. And we can together unlock the new opportunities, solve complex problems, and change the quality of life or our education or how we teach uh, and of course for the goodness of the people around us and everywhere. And this international webinar is testament to our dedication to staying in the forefront of technological advancement. And our mission is it to disseminate and knowledge that can drive positive change. Today, we are privileged to have distinguished panel of experts, leaders, innovators, share the insight and experiences within us. They will explore the latest trend in AI technology, discuss in application across different sectors, and reflect on the ethical and societal implications of rapidly evolving field. I encourage all participants to actively engage in this discussion, ask questions, and share their perspective. And I hope that this webinar is an opportunity to learn between us, learn each other, sharing together from the expert and platform to exchange idea, collaborate, and shaping future where AI serves humanity best interest. And as we embark on this exciting journey together, let us remain curious, open-minded, and committed to harnessing AI potential for better good. The knowledge and connection we gain today will inspire us to push the boundaries of innovation and contribute to a better, more inclusive world. Thank you for joining us to this international webinar. I wish you all a positive and enlightening webinar. Thank you very much and good afternoon.
Okay, thank you very much for the contribution, Dr. Joseph. And we will go to the main event for our audience. If you have any question for the speaker, please add them to the chat, or you can raise your hand, and we'll be able to answer some of the during the Q&A session after presentation. And today its presenter will have about around 30 minutes for presentation. Now, please welcome our first presenter, uh, Professor Noorul Hassan, PhD, Associate Artificial Intelligence and Design Cybersecurity from Arunai Engineering College. Yeah, so Professor Noorul, the time is yours. Thank you.
Very good afternoon, all. Very good afternoon, Novita. Can you hear my voice?
Yes.
Yeah, I would like to thank Dr. Joseph, the Rector, STEKOM University, and MC, Anggi Novita Sari, the International Affairs STEKOM University, for giving this opportunity to deliver my topic AI, breakthroughs, exploring cutting edge technology and their impact on industries. So we'll start this session with my presentation. I hope you all see my screen right. Today, the webinar topic is all about the AI breakthroughs and exploring the cutting edge technologies and their impact on the industries. The presented by myself, Noorul Hassan, the head of the department for CSC Cyber Security, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Aruna Engineering College, Tiruvannamalai, Tamil Nadu, India. So we'll start from the cutting edge technology, and then what is the role of cutting edge technology in artificial intelligence. So the cutting edge technology, in the sense, it refers to the recent advancement in technology and that having a significant impact on our lives. That means that it is the cooperation of the latest and high-tech IT development. The main motive is to fill the gap of knowledge within this technology and advanced development in artificial intelligence and machine learning, as well as deep learning with the AR and VR. These technology as the constantly evolving and hold the potential to revise and the way we work and communicate and interact with the world around us. So here the AI is rapidly developing and is being used in a wide range of applications from self-driving cars to the medical diagnosis, and AI has the potential to automate many tasks and currently performed by the humans and to help us to solve the complex problem in new ways. So the role of artificial intelligence in cutting edge technology is by using the algorithms like the reinforcement learning and generative adversarial network GENs. So the reinforcement learning, the role of this particular algorithm is the process of training machine learning models to make the correct decision through the punishment as well as the rewards. So this technology, with the help of machine learning, they can help us to make a right decision in the industry areas. So the gens have been described as the most interesting idea in the last 10 years of the machine learning. So the Jan can generate the new content by learning the patterns as well as the training the data sets. So the artificial intelligence in business, the how the AI act as a vital role in a business. So it means that with the help of deep learning, the human brain consists of an the advanced network of cells. It's called the neurons. So the deep learning with a cutting edge technology. So it's a subfield in the machine learning that aims to model the algorithm that is similarly to how the brain does. So it means that our brain functions in normally that will be replicate as human. So a machine will be act as a human, like what I am currently behaving, what I am telling, and what I am teaching, and then what how I am interacting myself, that will be replicated by the machine. So with the help of deep learning, so deep learning models are highly flexible and scalable, which means they can continue to advance far beyond the original creation. So first thing is the understanding the AI potential. Then second thing is identifying the end goal and then evaluate the internal capabilities and build the integrate AI solution. And then after that, the test the AI system and measure and evaluate the performance and then update the AI trends. Then predictive analysis. How the predictive analysis, the role of AI in industries with the cutting edge. So the predictive analysis are used by programs to analyze the historical data in order to predict the future outcomes. So how we will predict the future with the help of historical data only. So when combined with the AI platform, the analytic ability will increase the speed, scale, and applications. So it means that we'll start from the marketing. How it plays the vital role in the marketing. So some predictive model can be used to analyze the customer data. So obviously, the end of the day, the customer will act as a major role in the marketing. So some predictive model can be used to analyze the customer data and inform the marketing decision. So it means that how will we take the decision in the field of marketing, and then for instance can predict the most effective advertisements as well as to present the choose the selected advertisement for the customer without the human supervision. Okay. The second one is the data extraction. Data extraction in the sense programs used by the AI to analyze the exact specific information from the documents. It means that allows to reveal the application to extract the data from the recipient as well as the information combined with the predictive analysis, and then that how it will generate and useful the status will provide the statistical report and relevant buying suggestion for the application users. That is data extraction. And then social network analysis. So the social network analysis can provide the valuable marketing data. The valuable marketing data in the sense it will also produce the complicated data sets to handle very effectively and easily. Then it must be the semantically analyze the NLPs. Then NLP in the sense natural language processing that will be gives us to identify the customer preferences by the patterns in order to providing the necessary document in terms of web advertising. So targeted web advertising. So that what comes under the social network analysis. So here it provides the statistical model in terms of communication, decision making, predictive behavior, visualization, scoring, patterns with the help of machine learning. Then finally, the consumer's behavior. It will be predicted over the predictive analysis with the help of AI cutting edge. So, how it will provide the impact in the industries. So, the impact and benefits of AI in industry. Though we have to focus that the which industry will leads the AI role. So, vital role will be placed in the automotive industry, and then manufacturing process and enhanced experiences with the AI and improved dealership services and revolutionizing the dealership marketing and then innovations. So our world will be increasing the embraces technology. The global market is witness that transforming the emergence of the artificial intelligence, the global marketing required artificial intelligence nowadays. So the cutting edge technology is reshaping the numerous sector. So here in industry, the cutting edge technology will reshape the today's structure. So with the automotive industry at the forefront of this evaluation. So in order to AI will help in the various operation and potential to gain the competitive edge and offering the customer unparalleled and parallelized experience. Okay, so the role of AI in the automotive sector. So it means that it extends the beyond manufacturing and reevaluating automating retail industry, and then it provides highlighting through the technical advancement in that particular area. So how it will provide the impact on that particular industry in the sense by using the supply chains and reducing cost and enhancing the manufacturing process, and then enabling modeling in the sense it will provide the latest technology over the automotive industries that will help us to gain in various sector, and then it provides various measurement over the safety in the automotive industries. So in we going for a manufacturing industry, so it means it will provide the very it will help us to focus on various challenges on the current industry. It means that data collection, vehicle performances, and fault detection were significant salt changes and over the environment handling because the now that nowadays we cannot predict the weather also. So in that case, manufacturing industry will suffer. So, with the help of AI, that has to transform this process in automating the manufacturing by with the help of robotics and enabling the real-time data collection. From that, we may know that how the market will be, how the environment will be, how our sales will increase with the manufacturing. So, Also, it will streamlining in the production and providing the quality control. So, enhancing the experience with AI. Enhancing experience AI in the sense it will improve with driving the experience. It provides the real-time monitoring system and then previously unavailable data and then nowadays thanks to AI advancements like it will provide all those things for us in the field of industries. Yeah, AI will give the a humorous experience with the enhanced providing the various additional information including the damage detection and prevention and maintenance alerts and setting a new trend in the industries. And improved dealership services. Improved dealership services in, it means that the car dealership, for example, we will take the car dealership in straight away it forwards, it gives how the car will be, how the audience feels and what type of expectations they require and how the structure will be and check the various um, data. From that we will mold the mold a new technology over that, and that the machine learning and AI powered chatbot have introduced for that. From that the customer service will be provided and detailed information will be provided for the potential buyers. And revolving dealership and marketing, it means that it is a effective way for handling with the AI. It analyzes with the help of machine learning. The dealers can now predict the customer preferences and their marketing efforts according to the AI powered, analyze the customer data, whatever what suggestions given by the customers, the previous data set will be taken from by using the machine learning. We can analyze the data so that we create the highly targeted marketing campaigns. This approach not only enhances the customer engagement but also it provides the significantly improves the conversions rate. From that, the AI enables the dealership to optimize their inventory management based on the predictive trends and ensuring the stock of the vehicles and meet the current market demand, as well as that provides the result in the sense the AI in the automotive industries is not just changing the manufacturing, also it focus on customer services also, reshaping the dealership trend and then provides the various strategy to more driven and customer focused. Then next one is innovation. So the innovation in the sense now everything will be changing over the AI. It means that we need to provide more innovative thing in the industries. So the technology advancement and then categorizing the changes across the global market, and then today the AI plays a pivotal role in driving the innovation in automotive industry. The significantly the shift towards the more autonomous and efficient, the personalized automatic solutions. So the new concept of AI that represents the such learning designs that will help us to go for a decision making autonomously without human intervention. So we from that innovation we cannot go for a human power. With the help of AI, we can solve all those things. And then the new concept like automotive industries will be introduced, and then the ground breaking changes and technology such as the machine learning and computer vision and robotics will empower the manufacturing to produce the vehicles. Not only the technology, it will provide the superior but also it provides safer. The main thing is it provides a safer thing in the automotive industry. In such case the AI has been instrumental in simplifying the manufacturing process and also introduce the innovative automotive solutions and marketing and making the significant leap towards the future innovations. So the next one is the cutting edge in digital world. Now we shift over the topic in cutting edge technology, how it will be in digital world. So the today the digital environment present the ever greater cyber security issues. So cyber attacks are keep on increasing. With the help of cutting edge algorithm, we can automate the several parts in the cyber security operation. From that, our benefit will be it automatically detects the cyber issues. They learn from that particular instant, and also it gives the solution and also prevent in the future defense. It means that it helps us to prevent the such attacks will not we can predict from the human. In that kind of attack will be handled by with the help of AI cutting edge technology. In some technique will be used to include the adaptive protection system, that is real time analysis, as well as the threat identification such as machine learning algorithms. So we will go for a IoT. The future of AI will be IoT. Obviously, all the electronics thing will be in future. The AI will be integrated. So the role of IoT will be a crucial one. So IoT is a network of physical device that embedded with the various sensors that collect and exchange the data over the internet. So the IoT is having a major impact on the industries nowadays. All the industry will adapt with the IoT, such as like transportation, logistics, and utilities, and everywhere the IoT will act as a vital role. For example, the IoT sensors can be used to track the location and the conditions of the goods in transmit, and also monitor the energy consumption in the building. So here the with the help of cutting edge technology, all those will be automated. From that we can get the accurate result on the conditions, and then what kind of location in that particular area will help us to growth in various fields in the industry, and also in for marketing purpose in that particular region will be targeted. And then the for logistic how far it will be. So all comes with the IoT as well as the cutting edge AI technology. And then the big data. So the role of big data here, it refers to collection and analyze the large data set. It means that the big data is being used to gain insight into the customer behavior, how the customer behaves, and what kind of expectation they have, and what innovation and what technology what they are expecting for future. So this AI cutting edge technology will helps to improve the marketing campaign and also develop the new product and services only with the help of the customer's expectation and customers feedback, and then targeted audiences. In retail, the big data is used to personalize the shopping experience for the customer. In finance also, it is used to detect the fraudulent and managing the risk. This is a major issue which is faced by the throughout the world. So fraudulent is keep on increasing. How the fraudulent will be increasing in the sense, for example, my data will be leaked in the sense with the help of my data, some fraud activity will be happen with my particular email, or else my mobile number, or else my WhatsApp number. From that they straight away targeting me, and it offers various things to attract me. Whenever I used to click that particular link, my data will be steal. That is the major issue which is currently we are facing that. So these issues will be focused, as well as it will provide the better solution over that, be over that detect the fraudulent as well as the managing the risk. Then robotics. Robotics is a vital role. It is the field of technology that we deals with the design. So how the industry expect the robotics. It means that the design is a vital role. It deals with the design and as well as the construction and the operations and applications of the robots. So it being used in the variety of industries, including the manufacturing, automobile industries, even in healthcare and logistic departments also. the robotics technologies is presently using. So it will provide a better input when compared to the human. So, and also it will help in the healthcare system to analyze yearly prediction of various diseases and yearly prediction of harmful things and logistical things over the business and market. So in manufacturing, the robot are used the repetitive for the humans and provide the care to the patients. Even though our humans, we cannot trust the robot. Only thing is they cannot know our feelings. Even they cannot know how I am feel, how I am getting pain, and how I am feeling that particular pain. That is what a major issue in robotics. But presently, with the help of AI, they can predict the human feels and how they feel, how much take care has to be taken for that particular surgery, and then it provides the care to the patients. So the robotic plays the vital role, and then vital role in AI cutting edge technology is the virtual reality and augmented reality. So what is the help of virtual reality is in nowadays even a companies don't go for like a presentations or else they don't go for a document straight away. With the help of virtual reality, they can explain how the output will be. So from that particular technology will gain a knowledge and produce the output what we expect and what customer expect. What actually I did a program that will be simulated in terms of virtual reality. So VR creates the completely simulated environment. It means human can feel that that particular thing will be virtually in present of human eyes. So the AR overlays the digital information on the real world, and VR will provide the digital input. So AR and VR being used in the variety of industries, including the gaming, education, and training. For example, the VR can be used to train the employees on the new products, and the AR can be used to overlay information on the patient medical scan. So, presently, the VR will be a very commonly acceptable technology over AI cutting edge technology. So it means that in future everything will be virtually we can feel it. In future we don't know that maybe we people also will be interacted over virtual reality. We can feel how we are interacting with the physical, how physically we are interacting. That feel will be given by virtual reality in future. So here now the technology will be upgraded over this cutting edge technology in artificial intelligence that will all will be implemented in the industries with this robotics, AR, VR, as well as the technologies like big data and cloud computing. This all plays a vital role in the AI industries. Thank you. Audience, do you have any question? Straight away you may ask question. We'll have a discussion with the questionnaires.
Okay, thank you so much for Professor Noorul Hassan. Yeah, for question, we will go to the next session after last speaker already presentation. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay,
We'll
thank
wait.
you. Okay, thank you so much. And we will go to the second speaker for Dr. Rubal Jeet, as an Associate Professor Computer Science and Engineering from Kandigar Group College. Yeah, for Dr. Rubal, the time is yours. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So hope I'm audible.
Yes, miss.
Yeah. Thank you so much. So good afternoon, all and one present over here. Thank you so much for giving me opportunity. So let's talk about the presentation and PPT on the topic that is cutting edge for the AI. Let me share the PPT first. So my screen is visible to you, ma'am?
Yes, Miss.
All right. So, okay. So before we going to start with let's start and continue about the basics AI in edge cutting technologies for route trending now. So we need to understand that this is a journey for the future, right? So before we go for the vast and the high command areas, we need to discuss the basic AI first. Let me try to tell you about the things which we are going to cover in the AI breakthrough technologies. Like we have a various technologies over here for the AI. We will go with the case studies. We go with some live example for the same, and we'll try to understand that how this future trend and opportunities give us a good outcomes, right, in a real life also. So let me just everyone aware about the definitions of AI or basic AI, how the AI work basically, because tomorrow talent and future for the technologies is come from the basic AI. So before we start to understand, we already know about that the AI agent is totally connected and totally observe the environment. They just give the punishment, they just give the rewards on the basis of the observation they done from the environment only. So AI is just make a machine that is act and think like a human, that enterprises all the things that including the natural language processing, computer vision, and robust. We already know that this all system perceive the things and reward from the environment. So how they achieve those things, we will discuss later on in this PPT. So now let's start and understand one by one that how the modern technology is going to work. Like it start from the 1950, that is symbolic AI. Everyone aware about the symbolic AI, that is the rules and the logical stimulation rules, right? Then slowly it's going to develop with the normal AI is going to develop with a neural network. They attach with the neural network. They try to understand about the pattern recognition task, and they try to understand that in 1980 to 1990s, they just work on the neural. Then slowly we come with the machine learning and the deep learning part. So deep learning and machine learning is just a present and the future for the technologies. These are the challenges which is really need to understand that it's all about the rules to algorithms, right? So they just make a prediction to the data. They just make a deep learning data sets, and they just provide a machine learning which work with the part of deep learning, where we are going to discuss about the image recognitions, natural language processing, and all the parts. So this is basically how if we go with the beyond, for if we talk about the present, this is up to the deep learning. If we talk about the beyond technologies, that means people are talking about the reinforcement learning, which is enable the agent to understand the trial or the advancement of the things. Like deep learning, if we add on with the GAN, and as Sir already discussed with you, the GAN and the convolution neural network, recurrent neural network, this is the upcoming part in the deep learning technologies. So this is how the basic of AI is going to be start, and how the evolution in the form traditional to the modern approach to the AI. Let's try to focus about the importance of AI breakthroughs. So if we talk about the importance for the AI breakthrough, that means we people are talking about problem solving and innovation. So yes, we have in the AI, we have a system capable of solving the complex problem that various machine has capable to solve. I mean, various things like in finance, in healthcare, in transportation, in manufacturing. We have so many problem solving approach with the help of AI. We get a good outcome results in these type of advancement fields. If we talk about the efficiency and the productivity, yes, we have a automatic repetitive task system over there, which is basically allow a business to be more effectively operate, reducing the cost, allocating the resource to the efficiency. So this is how AI effective in dealing with the productivity also. If we talk about the enhanced decision making, Yes, predictive analysis is one of the main example. So AI just make us analyze the vast amount of the things in the real time applications, that pattern, trends, opportunities. They are like, if some opportunity beyond to the human, so they just make a decision making, which is help us to understand the personal and customization in the AI. So basically, they experience that what are the solution they are giving to the quality improver in the life. They just plan about the health diagnosis, healthcare systems, treatments. They just talk about the enhancement in the mobilities. So these are the quality to the life. They just with the help of healthcare, there's a social challenges are there, some improving health well-being is going to be there. So this is all the things which are improved with the help of the quality of life with the AI powered. So economic growth and competency is also one of the main deal, which is like retail marketing, the business invest in the AI research is also going to be there, which enhance the competitive with the innovations, new creative market is going to be there, productivity is going to be there. So these are the things. In summary, it's a pivotal role to shaping out the future of the society, economic by driving the innovation, by understanding that what are the things which are in the favorable with the AI, right? So let's talk about the key technology driving the AI advancement. So if we talk about the key changes, so I'm just talking about the basically machine learning and the deep learning. So machine learning is, you people aware about the machine learning that learn the data from the inputs and give the improvement over the performance. So how they just give the improvement over the performance with the help of supervised learning, unsupervised learning. You can see the example over there in the picture. That's how they are going to program the machine, how we are going to give the algorithm to the machine that this particular supervised or unsupervised is up to that. So machine learning, if we go for the some application or example for the machine learning approaches, that is image recognitions, natural language processings. So these are the machine learning part which help us to do the things normally and with the ease, right? Then deep learning is basically just neural network. They are with a multiple layer to extract the features from the inputting the data, and they just connect with the like recurrent neural network, the popular architecture in the deep learning. We have a convolution neural network with the max pooling filters, or so many things are going to be there with the filtering the picture, the tagging the picture. So these are the things which help out a machine to generalize and act like a human and behave like a human. So we have another example with the computer vision. We have a natural language processing. Natural language processing is basically nothing but it's a dealing with a sentimental analysis, with a language translation, with a chatbot, with a speech recognition. These all are the part of the natural language processing, which easy to understand. Machine get give you the chance to understand these things very well. So computer vision, if we talk about the computer vision, that means a machine that interpret and understand the real world. Then how the machine is going to understand the real world? With the helping of the like detection, object detection, with the help of image classification, with the facial recognition. You can see this picture is just recognizing, just making a facial expression over here. So this is how the machine is going to copying in everything, right? So reinforcement learning is also a part which help us to analyze the complex complex games, or controlling the robotic in the or optimizing the decision making process. This is how the machine get the reward and the punishment on the basis of +1 and -1, that yes, this is a perfect thing, the machine should learn this thing, the pattern. So these are the things how the AI, with the help of this AI advancement work, right? So if what are the impact of AI on the various industry? Basically, we should aware that how the AI is giving the good impact, right? We have a positive impact in our real life. So if we talk about healthcare, that means we are talking about like AI powered system analyze the medical images, and they just has a X-rays basically and MRIs We have the detection with the automobiles, disease diagnosis, the diseases. We have a drug discoveries also there, so that we get to know that the treatment plan by the experts, the medical experts, they should give a perfect medicals to the individual. They personalized and customized the healthcare also. So this is how this help in the healthcare with the finance. If we talk about finance, that means the AI detect the the frauds. They detect the real time things. They just understand that what are the fraud transactions are there. The algorithms which help us. I will give you the example in the case study also, that how this AI powered is going to help out to deal with the unauthenticate things, and how they will overcome these things, right? So customer services like chatbots are there. Everyone aware about the chatbots. We have a visual assistant powered by the AI personalized systems. We have inquiries. So this is how this work on this industry, right? If we talk about retail, that means retail means that they just kept our previous data also. So this is really important, because manually and automatic system, no doubt this working on the automatic system, but in the retail, if we analyze the customer data, that how the customer is preferring the things, so we can talk about the purchase history, we talk about the stock, we talk about the overstock things, and the supply chain management, and how the product is reducing cost is going to be benefit to the market. So these are the things how retail market work with them, right? And if we talk about the manufacturing the data, that means the analyzing the sensoring data, right? Sensoring data is like any predicting the maintenance need to be prevent the plan, and how the quality controls are there, the product defects, ensuring the quality standards, reducing the wastage or reworking of time. So manufacturing is how the cost saving opportunity, I can say that, right? So it's a more forecasting demanding the stock market. So this is how the manufacturing is working out. If I talk about the transportation, you can see this that tagging transportations are there. With the help of powered AI enable the self-driving vehicles, no doubt, but still that need to be work with the real-time driving also decisions, revolutionizing the transport industries, and improving the road safeties also with the sensors to detect that over limit and the limits under limit. And so these are the powered AI things which are really booming in the market, right? So this is improving the social lifestyle basically. And if I talk about the entertainment, so everyone aware about the streaming lines and the entertainment, they are just giving with the social AI like Netflix or Prime Video. They just go through the old history that what is customers actually want to see, and they just give you the preference over that particular things. Then we have agriculture. So agriculture is another analyzing things that basically weather data, weather detection, soil detection, crop yield detection, reducing the pests and detect the diseases the crop having, just with the help of the drones and with the help of sensor monitoring crop health. They just improve the crop productivity. So basically how this work improve, you can see this, that this is various industries how this work with the AI powered and improve the social life, right? So let's talk about the case studies, the real life applications. So real life application, we can understand that we have healthcare, we have a financial discussion of the case study, and retail. So let's discuss this one by one to try to elaborate and understand more on this topic. So this is basically AI healthcare system. So IBM Watson Oncology is everyone aware about that. That is a system that provide a personal treatment recommendation for a cancer patient. See, I will give you the example. Like we just helping out the medical expert about that. If suppose the medical, they just give suggestion to the medical expert that treatment 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose we have so many treatments with us, we just give you the suggestion that you can go with this suggestion, and you can eliminate whatever because they just prefer that particular suggestion. They just give that particular suggestion with the proof So when an evidence-based treatment is going to be there, so definitely the doctor will try to understand that which is a fake treatment and which give a real example treatment. So IBM Watson is preferring this AI-powered disease diagnose, and this really help out the patient with the better outcomes and personalize the cancer care. So this is a big deal with the help of AI. And if I go about the finance, definitely AI algorithm is trending, and Ant Financial is going to be there by the Alibaba Group. They just detect the AI powered fraud detection system, which is really helping out the market to help to understand which is the authorized user and which is going to be unauthorized user. This real time example, right? So this is all algorithm is like pattern based algorithm. They just do some further investigation on that. This help out to protect the user account, enhance the trust, the third party trust, and security online transaction is really important part. So this work with the all the financial detection power, right? So this is such a big and good example, live example, right? So if I talk about the retail, that is AI personalized shopping recommendations. So Amazon Go is a boom in the market. So Amazon Go is such a cash-free less store. We just enter in a store with just click one at once. You can see the example over right hand side that the customer is entering the store and select the item and leave without their wasting of time, standing in a queue. So this all cutting out, right? So AI just give a good experience, eliminating all the checkout lines and reducing the friction in the shopping process, improving the convenience to the customer, which actually requires. It's just improving the life in the with the help of AI, just improving the quality of life. All right. So we just talk about the challenges and the ethical concentration, which is really required these days. AI data privacy and security means that they are just leading to the overcome and some discrimination. They just include the data collections, data algorithm designs, models. So they just make sure that whatever the things need to be encrypted. So encryption is required. They just go with the encryption, ethical encryptions. They consider the unauthorized. They just protect the sensitive information, right? So if I talk about the job displacement, means that I'm talking about the industries these time. They just give the employment with the new upcoming technology in the market, which are helping out to upgrade the skills, employee skills, which helping out to understand the things. Right. So if I talk about the securities or if I talk about ethical decision making, that means basically the certain prioritized outcomes, which is really, which is really required, like make sure that certain unethical attacks should not be there, protecting the function to make the integrity strong, reliable data. Just give a main focus on the birth data, main focus on the governance data, that what are the principles, what are the rules, regulation which need to follow. The policy maker, I can say a good policy maker that challenge the unauthorized person, right? So these are the concentration, basically how the AI is responsible for that. And if I talk about the future trends and opportunities, so definitely future trends and opportunities are the main focus. Basically, wait. So basically, AI powered with a more intelligent and I can say a wide range of tasks are going to be there. You can give appointment to the AI with the AI powered assistant with the help of OpenAI, ChatGPT. You can see so many things are in the market. Jenny, so many tools are there which help you out to book your appointment, which help you out to translate your words, which help you out to rephrase, grammatical check. So edge cutting computing and AI, basically, they are enable the intelligent design and locally reduce the bandwidth and the requirement to enhance the real-time decision making. So how it going to be effect? this which we need to understand, that the smart IoT technologies are going to be there, which help out the cities to connect there with the homes, with the communicate with the collaborations. So this is how this enable us. Then with the help of the collaboration intelligence, all the healthcare, personalized drugs, improvement, and improvement in the disease diagnosis. So collaboration intelligence is there. So means that their long life things in learning the future trends. So that is really help out for the future also to get a good quality decisions. So let me recap quickly to understand that plugging to the world of artificial, the future is here. So how this future is going to be here? This is basically to understand that machine learning, deep learning, natural language, these all the new opportunity which address the complex challenges, no doubt. But yes, that is basically the transparency is there, which is really important, which is really need to understand that the quality of life is benefit the society indirectly, minimize the risk, minimize the unauthorized things. So these are the things which we need to understand. So AI is responsible for the all, for the new future. We try to uh, elaborate more on this topic, right? So thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to explain my thoughts through this PPT. Thank you so much, everyone over here.
Yes, thank you for your time and for your presentation, Dr. Jeet. Yeah, and we will go to the last speaker for Mr. Migunani M.Kom as a head of information system department from STEKOM University. Yeah, for Mr. Migunani, the floor is yours. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Novita. I will share my presentation. You can see my presentation, Novita.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Good afternoon for all audience. Greeting to all participants and also the honorable all students or audience in here. I respect the Chancellor or Rector of University of Computer Science and Technology, Dr. Joseph Santoso, Teguh Santoso. I respect to the panelists on today's webinar, Prof. Noorul Hassan, ME, PhD, Head of EI and GS, Cybersecurity IEC in India, and Dr. Rubal Jeet, also Professor Computer Science and Engineering, CTC, Bangladesh. I'm Migunani. Now I'm head of Information Systems STEKOM University. My stake this occasion to pay tribute to all the audience of this webinar event with the title RE Breakthrough, Exploring Cutting-Edge Technology and Their Impact on Industry. I'm very happy I can open today's presentation in front of all of you. In the next, I will explain about topic of RE Breakthrough, Exploring Cutting-Edge Technology and Their Impact on Industry. Okay, what is a cutting edge of technology? In general, cutting edge technology refers to any piece of technology that has new features, new processes, software, or techniques. They represent the latest development in IT products and software development, and they often have a function that can affect multiple industries. Since the introduction of the Industry 4.0 paradigm, the scientific literature analyzing AI has grown exponentially. Within the Industry 4.0 concept, AI is only one of the crucial technology that is revolutioning modern manufacturing and supply chain system. Indeed, other cutting-edge technology have a relevant role in implementing Industry 4.0. AI with 88 different types of cutting-edge technology grouped in 12 macro categories comprising 3D printing, big data, data analytic, blockchain, computing, digital application, geospatial technologies, human-computer interaction, immersive environments, Internet of Things open and crowd-based platform. And next, proximity technology and robotics. Example of the cutting-edge technology, for the first one is artificial intelligence. That technology include artificial neural network, cognitive computing, computer vision, machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing. And the next is 3D printing. That technology include 3D printing, binder jetting, bioprinting, direct energy deposition, fused filament fabrication, fused deposition modeling, polyjet, powder bed fusion, and stereolithography. And the next is big data and data analytics. Technology include big data technology, data analytics, data mining, predictive analytics, sentiment analysis, user behavior analytics. And the next is blockchain. The blockchain technology include blockchain, smart contract, and cryptocurrency. And the next is computing. Computing technology include cloud computing, cloud storage, cloud-led computing, edge computing, fog computing, and quantum computing. In the next is a digital application. Digital application technology like API or web services, digitization technology, mobile application, robotic process automation, social media network, and web application and platform. And the next cutting-edge technology is geospatial technology. Geospatial technology include geographic information system, geospatial intelligence, global navigation satellite system, global positioning system, and remote sensing, spatial analytic, and web mapping. In the next cutting-edge technology is human-computer interaction. Human-computer interaction technology included biometric, brain-computer interface, chatbot, facial recognition, gaze or eye tracking, multimodal interaction, speech recognition, and voice recognition. In the next is immersive environment like augmented reality, digital twin, extended reality, gamification, hologram, mixed reality, and virtual reality. In the next is Internet of Things. The technology include IoT, 5G networks, Internet of Vehicle, LoRa or long range wireless platform of IoT, mobile sensing, smart sensor, wearables, and wireless sensors. And the next is open of crowd-based platform. Open science platform like this technology, crowdfunding platforms, crowdsourcing platforms, open access platform, open data platform, open innovation platform, and open source technology. The next proximity technology. Technology include of proximity technology is proximity sensors, beacon or a guiding or warning signal as a light or fire, Bluetooth, motion detection, near field communication or NFC, QR code or data matrix, radio frequency identification is in the technology, proximity technology. In the last is a robotic. The robotic technology include autonomous mobile robot, AS or RS, AGV, cobot, industrial cobot, service robot, and the next is unmanned aerial vehicle like a drone, unmanned ground vehicle, and unmanned underwater vehicle, and wearable robot or VAR. In the artificial intelligence technology consists several domains. Number one is artificial neural network. Artificial neural network is a machine learning model inspired by the human brain's neural structure. It comprises interconnected nodes or neurons organized into layers that flow through these nodes, adjusting the weight of connection to learn pattern and makes prediction. And the next of artificial intelligence is cognitive computing. The term of cognitive computing is typically used to describe AI system that simulate human thought for augmenting human cognition. Human cognition involves real-time analysis of the real world, environment, context, intent, and many other variables that inform a person's ability to solve a problem. The next artificial intelligence technology is computer vision. Computer vision is a field of artificial intelligence or AI that use machine learning and neural network to teach computer and system to derive meaningful information from digital image, digital video, and audio visual input, and to make recommendation or take action when they see defect or issues. The next artificial intelligence technology is machine learning. Machine learning or in ML is a branch of artificial intelligence and computer science that focus on the using data and algorithm to enable AI to imitate the way that human learns, gradually improving its accuracy. An intelligent computer uses AI to think like a human and perform tasks its own. Machine learning is how computer system develop its intelligence. Like a ChatGPT is an extrapolation of a class of machine learning natural language processing model known as a large language model or LLMs. LLMs is digits huge quantities of text data and infer relationship between words within the text. Machine learning consists of three categories of machine learning, like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning take a model training with a labeled data. Unsupervised learning take a model training with unlabeled data, and reinforcement learning model take action in the environment, then receive a state update and feedback of the data. Supervised learning used to classification and regression using algorithm for classification like logistic regression, decision tree, random forest, XGBoost, Canirus network, and support vector machine. And regression like linear regression, elastic net, decision tree, random forest, XGBoost, and the next. And for unsupervised learning, like used to clustering, using the algorithm K-mean clustering, DB scan, hierarchical clustering, and other supervised like PCA and association. And the next is reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning use algorithm like Hue learning, R learning, and TD learning. And the next of artificial intelligence is deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that use multi-layer neural networks called deep neural networks to simulate the complex decision-making power of the human brain. Deep learning is a method in artificial intelligence that teaches computer to process data in way that inspired by the human brain. Deep learning model can recognize complex patterns in pictures, text, sounds, and audio data to produce accurate insight and prediction. This is differences machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning use a feature extraction after input, and the next is classification. After classification, machine learning predict the input, like in the sample is car or not car. And deep learning use a feature extraction and classification in embed in the two methods in the one action. Input in this is for a sample like car, and predict the car or not car for output. And the next artificial intelligence is natural language processing. NLP is a branch of artificial intelligence that enable computer to comprehend, generate, and manipulate human language. Natural language processing has the ability to interrogate the data with natural language, text, or voice. NLP applies both to written text can be applied to all human language. Other example of the tool powered by NLP include web search, email spam filtering, automatic translation of text of speech, document summarizing, sentiment analysis, and grammar or spell checking. AI is a field of information technology that focusing on the management of the technology that learn to make a decision independently and to carry out action instead of human being. AI can replace an entire system taking decision, or it can be used to improve a specific process. For example, a warehouse management system can show the current level of different product, while a smart warehouse can identify deficiencies, analyze the reason and effect on the supply chain, and adopt method to increase efficiency. AI is not a single technology. It is a generic term including any type of software or hardware component that support machine learning, deep learning, cognitive computing, and natural language processing. Recently, significant progress has been made in the development of more powerful AI techniques. In particular, machine learning models are increasingly useful for identifying hidden relationships within data. The word learning describes how algorithms will automatically become more accurate as they receive additional data. The study of machine learning technique is constantly and rapidly evolving indeed. There have been many advances in research to make this model more interpretable and provide a rapid solution. It is observed a growing focus on automating machine learning science support the automation of specific steps such as selection, optimization, and training of the model, encouraging and speeding its use. Another highly developed branch of machine learning is reinforcement learning, in which learning is based on continuous simulation, providing, for instance, improvements and robot control. Different types of neural network are developing such a recurrent neural network and convolutional neural network. There are mainly applied, process sound, image, and videos. Within a production system, ANN and machine learning technique can analyze historical data of production process and identify optimal parameters. Combination to improve efficiency, improve reduce production time, or minimize material waste. Deep learning is part of broadly family of machine learning method based on artificial neural network using representing learning. The adjective deep refer to the use of multiple layers in the network. In production system, deep learning machine learning can be used for predictive maintenance and demand forecasting. For instance, this technique can impede failures or signal anomalies and reduce bottlenecks. This is a relationship of technology with the impact on business performance for market impact or organizational impact. The relationship of technology with the impact on business performance, considering market impact, the combination of AI with the big data and data analytic digital application, geospatial technology, IoT, and robotic support competitive advantage. For instance, using sentiment analysis and machine learning algorithm, it is possible to analyze the positive and negative consumer feedback to detect the most effective decision-making strategies for manager in reverse logistics. In this way, companies will be able to minimize return product, waste, inventory, and costs while maximizing efficiency and profit. Moreover, deep learning can be used with smart sensor for fault diagnosis of production machine. This technique improves maintenance performance by monitoring products in real time and identifying the defect. Thanks to the data provided by smart sensor, improving the competitive advantage of saving and maintenance and operating costs. The integration of AI with a big data and data analytic, blockchain, computing, digital application, geospatial technology, IoT, proximity technology, and robotic leads to greater customer satisfaction. For example, by applying fog computing and ENNs, it is possible to improve customer satisfaction by predicting customer energy consumption and providing targeted promotion. Big data and data analytic, computing, and IoT in conjunction with AI improve better product, service, quality, value, or differentiation. For instance, AI can be used to model a food inventory system that assesses the effect across perishability due to the joint storage of chemically different foods. Using an IoT system, it is possible to collect information including freshness, temperature, humidity, air, and then predictive model can be generated to improve inventory condition. The integration of AI with the big data and data analytic, digital application, geospatial, and IoT can enable maximization of revenues. For instance, GIS and machine learning technique can be used in the operation planning of industrial infrastructure by mathematically managing geospatial data. It is possible to identify the optimal position for the building of industrial plant to ensure maximum revenue and efficiency. And the next is relationship of technology within the impact on business performance to organization impact. AI is often linked with the big data and data analytic to be better cost reduction, information management and efficiency, and productivity. For example, machine learning technique and big data technology are being used to improve the forecasting and energy supply from power plant. This can solve problems related to planning and renewable energy production, such as reducing costs, reducing overload, and improving efficiency. In addition, RNN technique and predictive analytics can estimate the best lead time for each stage of production, reducing inventory costs, and big data and data analytics and EOT in combination with AI support energy efficiency. For instance, the use of genetic algorithm and big data technology based on the summer or winter production data from industrial equipment can allow significant energy saving and production increase, which leads to economic benefits such as improvement of sales. Big data and data analytic, computing, digital application, IoT, proximity technology, and robotic in conjunction with AI lead to the higher flexibility. For example, truck drone hybrid delivery system use machine learning algorithm to develop optimal delivery routes so that all deliveries are completed in a shorter time. Specifically, a drone launch of the truck for a quickly delivery. Instead, the truck continues to serve other customers in different locations. On the drone has completed service to a customer, it must return to the truck. In this way, several advantages uh, are achieved because the strength of single vehicle can be exploited synergistically. The impact innovation, knowledge, and technology management is supported by various technology complementary to AI, such as big data and data analytic, human-computer interaction, immersive environment, IoT, proximity technology, and robotic. And for example, deep learning and emotion sensing technique can be employed to adapt response for chatbot to avoid responding inappropriately. Combining AI with big data and data analytic, computing, geospatial technology, and IoT leads to risk reduction. Collaborative robotic system can be employed in production system as an alternative handling solution to collect objects in a messy environment. This solution allows industry to reduce risk because cobot can handle a larger assortment of parts. Technologies such as big data and data analytic, digital application, geospatial technology, IoT, proximity technology, and robotic support, supply chain relationship management. For instance, there are several systems that integrate multiple technologies such as IoT, AI algorithm, big data technology, RFID, smart sensor, GPS, and mobile application. Proximity technology can collect logistic information and with big data can accelerate the information flow. After that information such order, inventory and distribution information are stored and managed through to the AI decision algorithm application. Then the instructions are sent to the distribution operator via wireless network and the localized distribution vehicle via sensor, optimizing logistic management. In order to monitor the supply goods, an automatic alert signal can be implemented that analyzes the status of the state of the transport and send information such as transport speed and equipment states. This system can be combined with a mobile application to improve material procurement, plan sharing, arrival processing, acceptance, and performance evaluation. Finally, big data technology can provide the model for evaluation that player in the supply chain, technical level, quality system, sales, services. Finally, AI integrated with big data and data analytics, digital application, informant, IoT, proximity technology, and robotic enable a time reduction. By using robotic arm equipped with a sensor capable of collecting signal, it is possible to predict non-compliant item. In the initial phase, there is an inspection process routine in which a sensor signal are compared with the output variable through a machine learning approach. It will be possible to provide accurate forecasts. Therefore, the inspection phase will be no longer be required. Moreover, the digital twin can be used in production processes. For example, in the welding process, it can be used to monitor, control, and visualize the welding process to ensure a more efficient process and high-quality welding. By integration, this process with the deep learning, it is all possible to define the weld penetration strategy that guarantee greater quality and time reduction. And the next is integration of a specific technology in specific business function and process. The relationship about the business function and business process where it's possible to jointly implement AI and other cutting-edge technology. Apart confirm a significant role of big data and data analytics, which is a predominant category that work with AI in marketing. Operation, procurement function, it emerges to richness of relationship within the distribution function. Where digital application gives spatial, touch, IoT, proximity technology, and robotic are featured by interesting value of co-occurrent. Marketing function display important KOL for digital application, for example, by using approach that combine AI and consumer feedback and review from social media platform. It is possible to help managers to better understand customer perspective in real time. A further remark regards the count of AI practice for its business function, signaling the operation cover about IT of opportunity of implementation of AI and production system. Predictive analytics with machine learning have to predict the demand for new production in dynamic market and to guarantee a better combination of high appeal and optimal price. Distribution is a future by AI practice that also employ big data technology, data analytics, mobile application, GPS, IoT, weather sensor, proximity sensor, and RFID, an autonomous driverless vehicle, cobot, and autonomous mobile robot. In last mile delivery, machine learning techniques could use information generated by geospatial touch technology to determine whether certain customer can be served without violation how and
service regulation to reduce the need for programming other deliveries. For inventory management, the use of smart sensor integrated with neural network allow inventory monitoring and efficiency supply system. Specifically, through the smart self-weight sensor, it is possible to monitor the quantity of item, alert, and warehouse staff to refill in the inventory before the item is out of stock and notify the supplier for immediately replacement. Using machine learning algorithm and mobile application, it is possible to analyze traffic data from fashion industry to predict online purchase with the aim of shipping product early and minimizing delivery times. This reduces the cost of returning product that arrive late of warehouse and for early picking and packing. Other advantages are the reduction of order movement among different warehouse and the guarantee of the better product reordering. Thus, the surveying customer satisfaction. As though warehouse management autonomous vehicle system can be used in production system to transfer pallet into several units within a production plant. Therefore, traffic control, which represent the greatest challenge, can be managed by system based on machine learning technique with minimal human intervention. This approach leads to a significant reduction in the transfer and waiting time production, the warehouse compared to traditional method. In addition, proximity technology are mainly used to monitor and track raw part, semi-finished, and finished product. In this way, inventory can be synchronized and optimized. Data and information are recorded in the inventory management software to manage order switch and picking problem. By integration this data collection with AI technique, it is possible to suggest the most suitable method or order picking and to improve the efficiency of warehouse operation and increase worker job uh, satisfaction. And thank you. This is my presentation. Ms. Novita, time is yours.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you so much for Mr. Migunani for the wonderful information. Yeah, and for our participant, if you have any question for the speaker, please add them to the chat or you can raise your hand. Okay, for our first question, we have question. Yeah. First we will get to question from Professor Noorul first. Yep. Professor Noorul, you still with here with us?
Yes, may I ask a question for me?
Yeah, we have question from participant. Yeah, for our first question, thank you for such valuable insight. In the context of AI development, what advice do you have for student interested in starting a career in research or industry related to AI? Thank you. The question already read in the room chat also.
Yeah, what my suggestion for the students is whenever going for a research oriented innovations and research oriented industries, whenever you are going to focus on generating the research idea, in that AI can help you to analyze the vast amounts of research data. Even though nowadays the keep on increasing the research activities, even though the publications also keep on increases, so the all the research scholars and who are all actively involved on the research, that all focus on unexplored areas. So as what I am suggesting for a student is, you just going with the help of artificial intelligence, you can automate the data entry. Also you can unexplore the areas, and then the connection between the seemingly disputes the field and ability to spark the new research areas and provide the research result. From that they can make use of your ideas and thoughts, and you can also interact the customer in the various field. And also the collaboration with the knowledge sharing, the AI can facilitate and communicate with collaboration with the researchers, and also it can summarize the research paper and connect the researcher with the similar interest, and forecasting the knowledge and extend the specific outcome about the areas. So if you focus this area, this will be a vital role for you, and also it will help us to sustain in the field of research area. Any other
Okay.
questions?
Yeah, and then the last question, give give the rapid rate of innovation in the field of AI. What is the right approach to constructing educational curriculum
We
to
can create the learning platform with the help of artificial intelligence. That will be given the job opportunity. As well as with the help of AI assistant, we can provide a better solution in the field of healthcare, as well as the AI powered the customer service solution. Even though in every day the sales and marketing will be keep on increasing, so every customer expectation is just it has to provide a valuable service whenever before buying this product and after buying the product. But whatever the thing is, the customer expectation will be better service. From by using the AI, we can supposed to provide the better service to the customer. And also AI in agricultural. AI in agriculture, in the sense it create the AI solution for precising the agriculture and utility the image recognition with the help of drones. Even what I am suggesting is, as a student, you can start producing the various drone for the agriculture. Without agriculture, we cannot sustain. Even though we cannot live with the technology, but without food, we cannot live. We can adapt the technology with agriculture. So make using the image recognition and start building the drone, as well as for using the various sensors to optimize the crop management and increasing the yield and reduce the resource usages. So from that, it can sustain in the technology, AI technology, and provide the job opportunity. The future, everybody said that the AI will be reduce the human job, right? So what I said, that whenever we use the technology in agriculture, no one will steal our job. So it means that we will sustain in last 100 years, upcoming 100 years, we can sustain in the field. So implement the technology in agriculture, so that will give you the more opportunity in the name of job. Thank you.
Thank you for answering. And then we will go to the question for Dr. Rubal. Yeah, for first question, in this context, talking about AI development, how do you see the role of interdisciplinarity in driving further innovation? Is collaboration between computer science, psychology, ethics, and other industry professionals essential in facing the complex challenge of AI? Thank you.
Thank you so much for the question. I would like to say that interdisciplinary is a main thing which need to understand the complex solving problems, right? We need to see the AI is basically solving the complex problem technically or specific to the domain, or ethically, socially, they are just following the rules and regulation. We need to just chalk it out with the rules and regulations. What are the experience design? Like we have a human computer interaction over there, we have a well-being healthcare system over there. So one of the main example for interdisciplinary collaboration is the automatic vehicles, right? So what happened in the automated vehicle, they are just developing a self-care car innovation engines, right? So how they are just legally expertise the together to address the technical challenges, and they're just working on the safety rules and regulations to understand the ethically considerations, to understand the rules and protocols. Then they develop the automotive vehicle challenge, right? We have a one more example for the interdisciplinary, that is healthcare in AI, which is also help us in the collaboration with the computer scientists, with the healthcare professionals to analyze the data and work on the data set and giving the inputs about the patient's safety and how to use that particular with the right. So interdisciplinary collaboration not just a beneficial, what I feel like it's just essential also for the development of the beneficial to the society, so that basically enable the integrity and with the expertise that leading to more innovations. So I believe this is the best solution for the same.
Okay, thank you for answering. And then the second question, one of the interesting topic in the development of AI is transfer learning. Can you explain how this concept works and what is potential is in improving AI efficiency and skill in various domains? Thank you.
All right. If I talk about transparent learning, is like machine learning basically, and the model is developed. We need to transferring learning basically to pre-train the data set, right? Giving the inputs to the trained the data and just fine tuning about the data that is called a pre-trained model. Just give a specific data set and train them according to that particular pattern. Just allowing them to giving a new task, give them features that what are the things which we need to design and providing the more efficient, powerful features, right? Algorithms. So this is how this is really the potential benefit. If I can say that better performance with the limited data could improve the cross domain application is also going to be improved. If I talk about the transferring learning data, as I already give you the example of the natural language processing, like ChatGPT is the trained on the large data set. You have a collection of so many things, but we give you the one analysis on the basis. Computer vision is also one of the pre-trained model, like BGT is, I think I remember, that is also a data set. Then the speech recognition is trained, that is spoken languages, different languages, and converting them in a different vocabulary. So we have a recommended data also. So no doubt there are challenges and consideration also. But we need to understand that AI is continually evolving and transferring the learning is likely a very important role in the capability to understand the wide range of the industry. Right. So this is a necessary upcoming. It's reducing the if we just pre-train the data, it just reduce the training time and also improve the generalizations, just make a high performance development to the data set. So yes, this is such an important, powerful tool to understand.
Okay, thank you for answering. And then the last question, where is the best or recommendation place to learn AI in advance? Thank you.
All right. So if I talk about the best recommendation for the learn the AI, so we have if you can go for some Coursera courses, Udemy, some X Coursera, and EDX also is there. So we have so many platforms to understand this professional courses are there. So if you want to go for some higher study, or if you want to go some university, so we have a Stanford University over there, international, you can deal with them. We have a PhD in masters or AI in masters also. So many university in California also. You have an online platform also. If you want to go for some offline university course, you can go ahead with that. So of online platform, Coursera, EDX, and Udacity, Fast AI, these are the platforms, right?
Okay, thank you for answering. And then we will go to the last speaker. The question is for Mr. Migunani. First, in light of AI impact on various industrial sector, do you see any significant ethical challenge that need to be addressed in the development and implementation of this technology? How can we ensure that AI is used responsibly? Thank you.
Okay, thank you. for answer. One of the foremost ethical concerns surrounding AI is a data bias. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on, so objective data curation becomes paramount. Thus, developers and researchers must prioritize and standardize rigorous testing and continuous monitoring. The main issues surrounding AI are data security and privacy, since AI systems require large amount of the data for operation and training. To avoid leaks, breaches, and misuse, one must ensure data security, data availability, and data integrity. To ensure responsibility of AI development and use, organizations should develop ethical AI frameworks, implement robust data governance practice, design transparent and explainable AI system, use human in the top loop process, and conduct regular ethical AI audits. Ethical consideration for AI projects, AI and data best practice like fairness and bias, transparency, privacy, safety, explainability, and human oversight. This for question one. And the answer of question two, the impact innovation, knowledge and technology management is supported by various technology complementary to AI, such as big data and data analytics, human-computer interaction, immersive environment, IoT, proximity technology, and robotic. For example, deep learning and emotion sensing technique can be employed to adapt response for chatbot to avoid responding inappropriately. Combining AI with a big data and data analytic, computing, geospatial technology, and IoT leads to risk reduction. Collaborative robotic system can be employed in a production system as an alternative handling solution to collect objective in a messy environment. This solution allow industry to reduce risks because cobot can handle a larger assortment of parts. Technology such as big data and data analytic, digital application, geospatial technology, IoT, proximity technology, and robotic support a supply chain relationship management. For instance, there are several systems that integrate multiple technology such as IoT, AI algorithm, big data technology, RFID, smart sensor, GPS, and mobile application. For other example, by using robotic arm equipped with sensor capable of collecting signal, it is possible to predict non-compliant item. In the initial phase, there is an inspection process routine in which the sensor signal are compared with the output variable. Through a machine learning approach, it will be possible to provide accurate forecasts. Therefore, the inspection phase will no longer be required. Moreover, the digital twin can be used a production process. For example, in the welding process, yeah, it can use it monitor, control, and visualize the welding process to ensure that more efficient process and highly quality welding. By integrating this process with deep learning, it is possible to define a well penetration strategy and that guarantees greater quality and time reduction.
Okay, thank you for answering. Yeah. Yeah, thank you for answering. I think it's very clear answer from our Professor Bella. Okay, before I close this event for our participant, please open your camera. I will take a picture on the count of three. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, another one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you. Thank you for your keen cooperation. Finally, we come to the webinar today. We would like to thank you for all the speakers for the wonderful information and sharing your knowledge. We hope this information will be beneficial for all participants. At least we hope to have more collaboration in the future with Aruna Engineering College and Kandikar Group College Sendiri. the webinar for today and here. We hope to see you soon. Thank you. And if next day, thank you for Dr. Rubal, Professor Noorul, and Mr. Migunani. Next day and
Thank you.
goodbye.
Thank you. Thank you.